Defense, you can call your next witness.
Judge, at this time, the defense calls Deputy Koepsell. Or detective, excuse me.
He swear or affirm that the testimony you should give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Yes.
Good morning again. Could you state your full name and date of birth for the record? Or, I'm sorry, full name and spell it for us.
It's Chelsey Koepsell, Chelsey. Last name is Koepsell.
All right, thank you. Counselor, you may inquire.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
In relation to this case, on February the 26th of 2020, did you have the occasion to interview Abraham Marino?
Yes, I did.
Was that interview recorded, ma'am?
Yes, it was.
You remember as part of that interview that Mr. Marino tell you that he had had contact with Sarah Boone on February the 24th of 2020?
Are you asking the night of the incident when police were called out?
Yes, the next morning,
The day that we were called?
that you were called out,
Okay.
the 24th.
So, yes, he did have contact with her, but it wasn't in the morning. It was while we were there.
While you were there?
Yes.
Okay. What time did you get there? That's probably what's starting.
I got there around 14:20 hours, which would be 2:20 in the afternoon.
Okay. So the afternoon on the 24th.
No, it was later. I recall, I believe I was doing paperwork in my vehicle, so it would have been at some point during the investigation, but it wasn't, I didn't notice him until, I'm not sure if I noticed him until before or after Sarah was interviewed.
All right, but to his interview part, the interview, did he tell you in the interview that he had had contact with Miss Boone on that day?
Yes, he did.
Did he tell you at that time that Miss Boone had made a statement to him?
Yes, he did.
Do you remember what that statement was?
I don't wish to quote what he stated. So I don't know the exact verbiage, but he basically replayed what, I'm not sure if he replayed what exactly occurred that day, but I do know he mentioned something about, she mentioned being dragged down the stairs a couple days prior.
Did he say to you during that interview that Sarah Boone told us that a couple of days ago they had gotten into a fight where he grabbed her by her hair and dragged her down the steps?
I would assume that he's reading my report, and that does sound similar to what my report should say.
So this statement was given on the 27th of February. I'm sorry, the 26th of February. Would you
Yes.
agree with that?
Yes, I would.
Okay. The contact and the statement that Ms. Boone made to Mr. Moreno was on the 24th of February. Is that correct?
Repeat the question, I'm sorry.
When Mr. Moreno is saying that Ms. Boone came up to him and made this statement that we just talked about,
Yes,
that was on February the 24th. Is that correct?
that is correct.
So when she said a couple of days ago, that would have brought it back to February the 22nd. Is that correct?
Potentially, yes.
Ma'am, during that interview with you, did Mr. Marino ever indicate to you that when he had contact with Ms. Boone on the 24th, that Sarah Boone told him what happened was an accident? Did he say that Sarah Boone stated that she was teaching him a lesson and things got out of hand and that she fell asleep?
I don't recall the entirety of that being accurate. Yeah, I don't recall the entirety of what he just said being accurate.
Do you remember him saying that at all?
He did say that she had, I believe he said on the recording, passed out. So that's why, like, part of the statements might be accurate, but
Ma'am, would it refresh your memory if you were to see the recorded statement?
his recorded statement,
Yes.
transcription?
Yes.
Sure, yeah, great.
May I approach the witness?
You may.
Now take your time. Read through that. And
Okay,
when you ready, just let me know.
okay. I don't recall all the statements that you asked, or the way you asked it, but
Would it help if I repeat it?
sure, yeah.
Okay.
You asked, like, you said multiple statements, so
Yes, ma'am.
this was a, like, 11-minute interview.
All right. The statement would be that Sarah Boone stated to Mr. Marino that she was teaching him a lesson and things got out of hand and that she fell asleep. And I'm wanting to know if
Did you say, okay, I thought I heard you say passed out the first time. I'm not sure if you said passed out or fell asleep.
fell asleep.
Fell asleep, okay.
And what I'm asking is there any indication that he told you that statement on the date of that interview on the 26th?
Sorry, I'm trying to go to the part where we talked about that.
Yes, ma'am, take your time.
Okay. Okay, so, like I had stated, there were certain things that I thought was accurate from your statement. He stated, I don't really, do I just read exactly what it says? Do you need, like, the number next to it or anything?
Yes, I have no problem if you reading what he said.
Okay, then she,
I would object.
Approach. Ma'am, you cannot read the statement at this time.
okay.
Thank you. You may continue, Mr. Henderson.
He described,
Hang on.
No.
Just wait for a question,
so
okay?
sorry.
It's okay.
yes, sorry.
Ma'am, and anywhere in that interview, do you see reference to this statement that Sarah stated that she was teaching him a lesson and things got out of hand and that she fell asleep?
No to the two parts, the first two parts of your question. I heard passed out the first time you asked me this question, and that's why I said that part of it was accurate, because he did say that she passed out in his statement. That was what Sarah told him.
Okay, did she say she was teaching him a lesson? Is that in there?
No,
And things got out of hand. Is that in there?
no, I don't recall that.
May I approach the witness?
Yes.
And again, ma'am, this interview was on February the 26th of 2020, is that correct?
Yes, it was.
Thank you, I have no further questions.
Any cross-examination?
No other questions, Your Honor?
All right, thank you. Can this witness be released?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.